Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are old, welcome. I am back with another hair collab, and today's video is sponsored by Westkiss hair. I will be installing this wig with y'all, showing how I got this look. So let's get right into the video. You change overnight. So y'all, the wig did come with a few gifts inside. I will be showing y'all everything that came inside of the wig. Before we get into this install, I want to tell y'all that I did not bleach the knots. I did not bleach the knots. I did not pluck it. I did not pluck it. Okay, I didn't do anything of that. I literally put the wig on out of the box, as you will see. Literally the same curls. I did not put no heat to it other than the hot comb. I didn't do no extra curling. The same curls are the same curls, literally everything. So let's get right into this video, y'all. When I say this wig is a 10 out of 10, this wig is definitely a 10 out of 10. I've been looking for a birthday wig to order, and I'm definitely going to shop with them. So let's get right into this video. You change overnight. You out of sight. You magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting my way. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting my
that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around. It's not that I don't want you here.
So guys, this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoy as much as I enjoy collabing with Westkiss. Everything about this company will be in the description box. Literally everything, as well as my discount code. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase if you're interested in shopping with them. Let them know that I did send you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. Also, my other YouTube channels will be in the description box below as well. We at 50K, we're on the road to 100K. Y'all know the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. When I say this wig was a 10 out of 10, y'all, this wig was definitely a 10 out of 10. As I mentioned, I did not bleach it, I did not pluck it, I did not curl it. Nothing literally came like this. So definitely go and shop with them. They did not disappoint. Definitely will be working with them again.
You changed overnight.